To use Tk20, begin by logging into My UWG. When you're there, click on External Resources, scroll down to Tk20, and then continue to Tk20. When you're in the system, yours is going to look a little bit different than mine because mine is faculty, but you'll click on Courses on the left-hand side, and the courses that you're taking should show up right here in this column. You can either go into each course to complete the tasks, or you can click on Pending Tasks to complete the tasks. If I go into 6461 right here, and I click on the activities, I would see right here where the tasks are waiting for me to complete. I can go back to my courses, and it's the same if I click on Pending Tasks. Any pending tasks I have, such as in MEDT 6461, you're going to see your dispositions form, self-assessment, and your AASL competencies self-assessment. And those will be the two tasks that you would complete then in MEDT 6461. So that's a brief little walkthrough of how you would use Tk20, how you would get into the system. Then if you have questions, up here in the upper left-hand corner, there's a help bar. That link right there is very, very useful. And it can give you some very quick, succinct videos and direction sheets about how to use Tk20. Hope this has been helpful. Thanks.